Hey Party Angel, today's tutorial is a Dalmatian family costume theme. So if you're looking for an adorable idea for the whole family, including the dogs, you're in the right place. And stick around to the end for the angel secret of the day. I'm Madeline, I'm your party loving bestie, and I love putting together outfits for the family. So here's an image of our base makeup with a fair complexion, really dark red lips, and a lot of black eyeliner, black eyeshadow, strong dark eyebrows, and even some false eyelashes. Also, I used a shish kebab bamboo stick and some duct tape to make that fake cigarettes. And of course, added a black and white wig. If you want to elevate this look, you can add face jewels too, just like as you saw in that image from the Dalmatian movie. This really just takes it up a notch and elevates your overall makeup. And of course, next you're gonna need to add a beautiful wrapped red dress of some sort, and really any kind of white wrap just like that character. You can pick out any outfit you want for your kids, but I thought this outfit was super cute because it's one item from Amazon with a hood, and I added an extra touch of just the Dalmatian dots and the nose. My daughter, my dog, and I entered a costume contest at the park. As you can see, I even encountered a competitive Dalmatian that did not like me there. So we entered and we ended up winning. I was so proud of my daughter and my dog. We got first prize for best matching dog and owner costume at the park. So if you made it this far, this is the angel secret of the day. If you have a family member like my husband who doesn't want to wear an entire outfit, you can always find a shirt or create one that says pretend I'm a Dalmatian, and he was still show-stopping and wonderful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up so it's shared with others, and subscribe if you loved it for more party theme ideas. Thanks for watching. Keep radiating joy and celebrating life, and we'll see you at the next party.